relax with cool friends and family. We're back at it, Boca Raton, Florida. Beautiful city here. We're gonna wait to take a look at a job for a long time customer again. You know, and that's what continued to build this business. You know, it's just loyalty. You know, you do good work, honest work, ethical. You be ethical, period, in everything you do. You know, you keep the people, man. Make them happy, man. I say every day, we don't sell air conditioning, man. We don't sell AC. That's why we keep these customers. We don't do that. We in the air conditioning business. But what we do, we sell service, period. We sell your experience. That's what you get from us. When we leave, you get an experience. When we finish and you get a box of freshly baked cookies, man, come on, man. It's unexpected. Why we do it? Because we care. Why we do it? Because we're grateful and we appreciate this, you know? All this is dreams come true, you know? That's what this is. Dreams come true, man, for real. I enjoy doing this, man. Pulling up and getting it done, you know? In a good way. Really, really good way. We're here, again, friends and family, double system in this home. We already replaced one, I think like a year ago, 2 years ago. She got some good ones in here. Let's make this right here for her today. Hey guys, we're back here to start this project today. This is a full duct replacement. A lot of mold, a lot of mildew. So a lot going on. As we can see, this is what we're working with. Try my best to get a little closer here. See the condition of that ductwork. Condition of that up on the ceiling. All the ceiling is done. Look at that up there. See. Pretty bad, man. Mold, mildew up in the ceiling. So you can see the type of ceiling it is. All custom. So this duct system, even though it's downstairs, being fed by the HVAC system upstairs. You know. So definitely gonna be doing a major project here. I don't know if y'all guys could see that wood up there in the flooring. All that mold type substance in it. So we're gonna be here. You know, we may need to redesign this. Some new, different.
Paper?
You can see everything is coming out right now. All out. There's some more over there. Alright guys, as we move along here with this duct replacement, as you can see, this is actually a hi-hat light, electrical hi-hat light inside a ductwork, which restricting airflow, creating all that condensation. So whether it was the electrician, whether it was the AC guy, whoever it is, caused this. So as you can see, that's why we here. See all this water. Closer to this, look at this. This is a full remediation need to be done in this home. In this multi-million-dollar home. Full mold remediation. So one of this was inside of my ductwork. Here. I'm up here, deep in here, getting this stuff out. Again, no mask, but there we go, all this stuff is coming out here. All this stuff is coming out right here. Seeing here, don't know what is this, but where this coming from? Somewhere else. But what's that? Deep in this duct right here, man. But now, see how moldy that box is. So we need to cut more drywall here to get under this box. More drywall need to be cut. Here, this thing here, we're down to the last piece. Last piece, last piece.